everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I would like to welcome you to my ultimate Valentine's Day guide where you will find ideas for everyone that you love. Now, when you walk into anyone's home, you can definitely feel the love, and we wanted you to feel the love and see the love when you walked into our home this year. And so I had the perfect accent piece. I was walking through Ross and I saw the metal X and O piece, and I just had to have it. It was $27.99. I thought it would look perfect in our entryway. It was the perfect blend of elegance and rustic and you know, all of those wonderful metals and woods. It was just gorgeous. And then I paired it with the cake plate and the little cake server from my girl Carrie from the channel Very Carrie, and the little X and O, the sequin XO that I got from the Target dollar spot. I thought it created just a perfect ambiance with the candles there, and definitely you would feel the love. Next up, we did a lovely bedroom makeover. Now, initially I had put together this bedroom. I was going to auction it off because I started putting together different pieces and auction it off, and people would, you know, kind of bid on them on Facebook. But when my nieces saw the bedroom, they went ecstatic, and I'm going to show you guys their reaction in just a moment. But I wanted to just add a couple of pieces that I had found different places. So I did a comforter and the Be Beautiful and Be Unique. I picked those signs up at Kirkland's, and I remember a while back Carrie was telling me about the little slogan Be Beautiful. When I saw that, it definitely went off in my mind. I thought it would be great for a kid's bedroom. And then here I have just a little snack tray set up, and you know, just for little snacks and a little bacon and all of that. So that was really exciting. And when my husband walked in, he saw this room. He loved it. He said that it brought such a childlike atmosphere to our home, and definitely, you know, something we wanted to bring into our home, being that we are trying to start our family. So it just really brought, you know, so much fun and love and laughter to our home, and I really enjoyed doing this and putting this together for my nieces. And again, when I saw their reaction, I was like, okay, I'm not selling it. I'm gonna keep this so that they can enjoy it. And so if you guys want to see their reaction, I'm gonna show it to you right now. So when the girls walked in, they were ecstatic about this room. What y'all think?
We like it.
You like it? You like it? Baby girl. What you think, baby girl?
Like it.
Wash your hand on your hip, baby girl. That's what I'm trying to figure out. You like the mailbox? So guess what we're getting ready to do? We're going to start out with now, a Valentine's Day breakfast with your little beauties and bows can be so much fun. This is a breakfast that I put together for my nieces, and I used things that I had picked up last year from Target and from Hobby Lobby after Valentine's Day. And so I created just a really cute and involved tablescape. And here you see some cake pops from my girl Rachel from Hot Mama's Bakery on Facebook. I will put her link below. She now has a special, and she can ship them to you. And so these are amazing. She has all kinds of flavors: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, you name it, she makes it. And so she can, you know, ship these cake pops to you for any occasion. Next up, I have this gorgeous strawberry and pineapple tree that was created by my girl Tamisty. She's also on Facebook, so if you're local, either one of those would be willing to meet you. And if you're out of town, Rachel will definitely be able to ship those to you. I'm not sure about the strawberry. But this is the overall look of our tablescape. It was very festive and very fun. The girls had a great time making pancakes and making strawberry milk. I mean, it was just so much fun, and we had a blast. The girls even came back later on that day. Now, the next thing you can do is have a Valentine's Day dance. Now, this is something you can just cut on the music and have a great time with your family. I mean, here we are, we're doing the Sid, and so this was so much fun. The girls had so much fun. These are our nieces. They're just, oh my gosh, they're so cute. And so we had a great time. We wobbled and we did the electric slide, and you know, it's a great way to get a workout and just, you know, enjoy one another all at the same time. And finally, you can do a romantic meal for two. And I set up a lot of different tablescapes and, you know, different things that I put together. I finally found some black wine goblets, and I wanted some black ones ever since I saw our girl Nikki from the channel At Home with Nikki. She had them, and I was dying to find them. So I did find them at Home Goods for like $8. I was so excited, and they were a very popular brand. I can't remember the brand right now, but they were extremely expensive, but they were $8, so that was a great find. And here you see the Target Dollar Spot XO, the little sequin. I just love that. I think it's so chic and so cute. And then the little gold salt and pepper shakers, I picked those up at Target for 50 cents. And then I got this cute little gold placemat at Dillard's. It was on sale for less than $1. The heart charger that you see here, I got it from Michael's. It was also, I think it was 50% off, so it was around $2. I thought it was really cute. And then there's a placemat, so you guys can see that. I was really excited about that find. It was an amazing, amazing find. And then the goblet, I think it's Floyd and Fitz is who the goblet is by. So if that's not correct, I'll leave that in the description box below. But again, $8, and I'll show you guys the retail price of that. I'll put a link to it below. They are on Amazon as well. So after I put down the tray and the mat, I put the little gold forks and spoons together and tied a ribbon on it. And you know, my black plate I got from the Dollar Tree, amazing deal. And then I got this pineapple plate. I believe Denise had some of these as well, and I got this at on sale at Hobby Lobby. They had gone on sale for $2.80, and so I absolutely love that. And pineapples are really trending this year, and so I thought that made an amazing little setup if you want to do a romantic dinner for two. And the little banner that you see in the background, I got that from the Target Dollar Spot. And if you want to create a little setup like this, all you have to do is use some wrapping paper, and you know, you guys will have a really cute setup. And the little cardboard backdrop I have in the background, I got that from the Dollar Tree. So I switched things up a little, and I added this cute little love sign. I thought that was adorable. So if you didn't want to do a banner or anything in the background, there are definitely some cute love signs that you can find at Dollar Tree. And I added a napkin, and I also got that napkin from Dillard's, and I absolutely love it. It's so cute with the little gold at the bottom, and it's definitely going to look good with my future tablescapes. And it was on sale for, I believe, 98 cents. And so when you're at Dillard's and you see that last number, that'll tell you what percent it is off. So that was 75% off, and I thought that was an amazing deal for that. And I just used the same pineapple plate again, but again, I just added the little photo in the background in case, you know, you don't want to hang a banner or anything like that, and you just want to prop something up in a corner to create more of a buffet look. You can do that as well, and I thought that would be an amazing addition to, you know, doing a dinner for two. Now, if you want to do something a little bit more romantic, you can do some room service. And I got these free printables, the room service printables, from the datingdivas.com. And I'll put that link in the description box below. And the first one is a food menu, and it just tells you, how may I serve you? You can list all the foods or everything that's on your menu. And then the second one is a love menu, and it also asks, how may I serve you? So I'll leave that up to you guys. But I thought that was so cute and so romantic. It has a little door hanger, and you can hang that on a door. I just kind of embellished it a little bit with some ribbon to make it a little bit more personal. And it's on a tray, and on the tray I just put some of the little rose petals I got from the Dollar Tree, a little bit of bling, and I used the same black and white striped charger. I got this little mailbox that from the Target Dollar Spot for $1, and on the inside of the mailbox you can put a love note, you can put a gift or anything you want to put on the inside of that. And then I used a black plate and a red and white polka dot napkin, a black and white striped tray, and a little red and white bowl on top of that. So I thought that was really cute. And then I embellished the back with some roses. Next up, I did a pink one. So I love the pink and gold combination. I picked this pink plate up at Home Goods here recently. I thought it was super cute. So if you wanted to do like a really romantic dinner, you could do something like this. It's just, I thought the pink and gold was so soft and elegant and classy. And so this could be definitely something that you would set up for two and just sit your little Valentine's Day card out. Any of the little embellishments that you may have, you can find all these little wooden letters and things of that nature at the dollar spot. Now, who's ready for some good times and games? I love having fun and creating memories with my husband. And one of the rooms that we relax the most in is our sitting room. So I did wanted to add a little bit of, Valentine's Day ambiance in that room as well. I added a little bear in the corner, kind of to make it festive. And on the bottom, I have a gift bag. And in that gift bag are some of our favorite movies and, a couple gifts and things that we will do for Valentine's Day. And then I set up a little gift tray with a gift bag, and I'm just showing you guys something you can do. I have water, and then in the little tray you can put chocolates, and then I have little chips and things of that nature where you can have movie night and have everything sitting on a tray along with a little gift. And I just thought that would be really cute for a movie night, a little snack tray, watch some of your favorite movies, and there you go. You have, some good memories and good times and great movies, and, you're just able to enjoy one another. And these Werther's Original Popcorn are the bomb. And I found these Townhouse crackers, believe it or not, at the Dollar Tree, and those are absolutely amazing. The little Be Mine sign, I got that a couple years ago at the Target dollar spot, and the Valentine sign on the back, I hung it on the door leading into that room, but I got that from Hobby Lobby last year on sale for 90% off, along with the gift bags. Gift bags, I love them. I got those gift bags last year for 90% off, or either a penny at the Dollar Tree. The next thing you can do is play Couple-Opoly, and I got this game from the datingdivas.com. I will link it below, but you can customize a game board for the two of you and have tons of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my edition of the Ultimate Valentine's Day Guide. If you haven't already, I would love to have you to be a part of the Lust for Lust family, so hit that subscribe button, and if you love this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and I hope your weekend is filled with love.